Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a bot in Scratch. Start by adding a sprite and connecting event blocks to drive reactions and movement. Use sensing blocks to read clicks or typed input and create basic if-else responses. Add variables to track state and broadcast messages to coordinate sprites. Test early, keep scripts tidy with comments, and iterate on prompts and timing so interactions feel natural and fun. Build core logic by using broadcast, variables, and conditionals to manage state and flow. Start with a greeting broadcast and a variable like mood or stage to remember context. Use sensing blocks to detect clicks or type text and respond with if-else chains and random choices for variety. Add timers to pace replies and separate input handling from output effects. Comment your scripts so updates are simple and predictable. Enhance your bot with conversational patterns, memory variables, and lists for facts and options. Implement cooldowns to avoid spam and use broadcasts to chain complex behaviors and animations. Add sound effects and subtle delays to give personality, and include fallback responses when input is ambiguous. Test edge cases like empty input and rapid messages, record bugs, and iterate on dialogue to reduce
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.